So as the American soldier comes into World War I, the policy is not to hide in the earth, is to constantly move forward. According to General Pershing, advance the rifle, the bayonet in the spirit of the soldier. This is some of the first areas where our soldiers would jump off through in a wood or a, bois d'Avancourt where we are. This is almost exactly what they would see. Well, it is what they would see 100 years later. Now this is different from the boya, the French communications trench, is the serpentine nature of it. So once again, if an explosion happened, you'd get some soldiers, but not all of them. This is a fixed French position, the static warfare. Again, the stereotypical all quiet on the Western Front. As you can see, I'm resting level against here. This is front line. This is not safety. This is not sleeping. This is fighting with your rifle, looking out to the Germans, just about to where you see the sunlight over there where the forest is fallen. And there's a good shot of a German defensive position right on where those stumps are. So this is ground zero, World War I, 1914 through 1917, until the United States soldiers will arrive here on scene. Coming out of the French side, getting close to the German zone, right in the heart of what the French would call no man's land. It was not so much a term to be used during the war, again, as is popularly thought, stereotypical as no man's land. We're getting in here to where the ground's beginning to slope away, craters, explosions. You can still see the trench networks of what these two armies exhausted each other doing for 2 to 2.5 years. And so this is kind of fitting, metal reinforcement with the blown apart woods and downed trees. This kind of looks like we would have no man's land in our minds, in our homes and classrooms. So as we've just luckily crossed the kilometer-wide no man's land with General Bedford behind us, we're about to attack the German command bunker. Machine gun, rather. Gonna go Jack Barkley on it here. Yeah, it would be machine gun. Command would not be this close, yeah. So you can just see, first line, you see the craters, explosions, artillery shells, no direct line. Question is, do you stop here or do you press on and keep going? So here we are, across no man's land, and we've made it.